Alright, a lot of Americans failed this question, but then why did they fail it? Now, looking at this question, a lot of people will assume different things, but let me show you guys the correct way to solve it. First thing to do in this question is to square both sides. So we have x raised to power 3 over 2 all raised to power 2 to be equal to 3 raised to power 3 over 2 all raised to power 2. Okay. Now remember that a raised to power m all raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m times n. Hence, this 2 will take this 2 and this 2 will take this 2. So we have x cubed to be equal to 3 cubed. Now, rewriting this, we have x cubed minus 3 cubed to be equal to 0. Difference of two cubes. Okay, so this is difference of 2 cubes. And the law, there is a law governing this. Just like you have difference of 2 squares. The law states that a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3 is equal to a minus b into a plus a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now we'll apply this here. So we have x cubed minus 3 cubed to be equal to x minus 3 times x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared. Okay, and now remember that from here we had that this is equal to 0, so hence this is equal to 0. All right, now from here, when the product of two things are equal to 0, so when this times this is equal to 0, it's either that this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Okay, so when this is equal to 0, for example, so when x minus 3 is equal to 0, okay, we see from here that if we cross 3 over, we have that x is equal to 3. All right, or okay, x squared plus 3x plus 3 squared is what? 3 times 3, which is 9, is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, and let's solve this quickly using the Almighty formula or the quadratic formula. And what does this state? The quadratic formula states that the value for x in this question will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, the quadratic formula. Now, from here, we have that a is equal to coefficient of x squared, which is 1, b is equal to 3, c is equal to 9. Okay, so we're going to have from here that we have minus 3, which is x is equal to, plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9, minus 4 times a is 4, times c is 36. Okay, all over 2a, which is 2. This is equal to minus 3 plus or minus 9 minus 36 is what? Negative 27. Okay, so root of negative 27 all over 2. And this is equal to root of negative 27 is 3 root 3. All right, so we're going to have minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3 or 3 root negative 3. All right, all over 2. So x now becomes equal to minus 3 plus or minus, now root 3 is equal to, so I'll write this here, root 3 is equal to, sorry, or root of negative 3 is equal to I times root of 3. Okay, so we are going to simply replace this with I root 3. Okay, so we have 3I root 3 all over 2. All right, hence this is the answer to this question. So the first answer we had was that x is equal to 3. The second answer we had is that minus 3 plus 3I root 3 over 2 is equal to x. And the third answer we have is that minus 3 minus 3I root 3 over 2 is equal to x.